Everyone's phone's on silent these days. But what if there's still one person we want to let notify us? We could just turn off notifications for everybody else, but that's boring, so what if? Right, what if we had two devices, each with a button and a way of showing a notification, like an LED? These two devices could then talk to each other somehow. And that's the bit I still gotta work on. So like anyone not smart enough to solve a problem they have, I asked ChatGPT for help.
How do I make the two devices communicate?
What? No, just go work it out yourself.
Please.
No, do it yourself.
Okay, that went well. So the method we're going to use is called MQTT, and it kind of works like this. Instead of them talking directly to each other, they publish messages to a central broker. The devices are also subscribed to the broker, so get notified about messages sent. The broker website we're going to use is called Adafruit. Click IO, Dashboards, New Dashboard. Give it a name and create it. Click it, then this drop down and create new block. Add a toggle, name it, press enter and select it. Next step, title, then set the on value to button 1 on and the off value to button 1 off. Create block, then add a second one. Button 2, button 2, button 2 on, button 2 off. Nice. Now click this and note down the active key and the username for later. Okay, that's done. And now we're going to need some hardware. Take a microcontroller and attach a button and an LED. It should look something like this, and do that again for the second one. The code for this will be linked in the description, but just remember to change these things. Your Wi-Fi details, the Adafruit details we saved before, give each device a unique name, double check the values here are the off ones you set for the button in Adafruit, make sure the right pins are being used, and name the file boot.py on each device if you want them to start as soon as they get power. They also need umqtt.simple. And once that's all done, plug them in, double flash to say they're connected, and as long as they both have Wi-Fi, they can be as far apart as you want. Press this button to send a light to the other, and press the other one to confirm that it's been seen and turn the light off, then a second press to send one back. It's finished.